So, since I last did a video on the Honda Monkey, I've added a few more things. I did the M intake from Man in the Box, which you can kind of see under there, the little tube. I'll put a picture up so you can kind of see the giant black lunchbox that used to be the factory intake. When I was doing that, I also got my ECU reflashed, which is located under the seat, kind of under the battery. Got that reflash from DHM, and I just had it flashed with of course, with just a pipe. Well, stage one with a pipe, and then with the intake. Once I got it installed, of course, I did the TP sensor reset procedure, and then also the ECM initialization procedure. Which, if you're looking for instructions on how to do that, look on John 5XR's YouTube videos. He does a very good walkthrough. I've used his videos a lot already to make some of these things a little bit more simple for me, because I'm not quite as mechanically inclined as he is. Oh, I also added the quick removal for the seat, so you can just stick your key in there and then screw those, which is nice. Don't have to have an actual Allen bolt with you to get those off. I'll show you the other side of the Monkey too. There's the filter for the intake. All right, I'll start this thing up so you guys can hear what it sounds like with the intake in there and the flashed ECU, etc.